What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Pull back to our target zone, sitting at 0.01466, down 2.8 on the day. So market cap 361 million, 24 hour volume 38 million. So let's hop into the chart. So you can see we pulled right back to our target zone. I mentioned in my Discord that this is an entry. It's a more risky entry. Bullish confirmation will give more confluence. But this is the bounce zone for the wave 2. We have bullish divergence on the hourly, so we can bounce from here and push up in the wave 3. Of course, anything can happen. If we roll over, we break that low, we invalidate, then it is what it is. But I had mentioned on the daily chart, we broke out of the falling wedge. We're currently retesting it. So if you want to know when I'm going to give my trade signal, join the Discord. It's $10 a month, and it will tell you exactly when I enter my take profits, my stop loss. Spend $10 every day. We're already in trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. So we're sitting on that support of the wedge. We broke out. We're retesting it, just sitting on the 20 EMA. Sitting in that pullback zone. So if we can get a bounce from here, we break that high, that's bullish confirmation of a breakout. If we simply push up and then we roll over, it can be ABC correction. And of course, if the 78.6 starts to break at 0.01367, then higher likelihood you'll invalidate. But we do have a beautiful 5-way move up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. So once we break, we get more confirmation with breaking this downsloping trend line. And of course, the bullish confirmation would give you a good entry as well for a trade. Once I enter my position, a signal will be given. As I mentioned, we're in trades for Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum as of right now. Make sure to sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when you deposit in your futures account. So if you deposit $100, that's $20 for free. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 for free to trade with in your futures account. And my signal is $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Daily crypto analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. Not only are we trading crypto, but we're also trading Forex for $10 a month. Spend $10 every single day. All links are down below in the comments. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.